credit repair results from our clients. You're going to see the best results in credit repair. I'm going to show you 5 files. Look at this. 8 items deleted. Look at the items that were deleted. Collection, unpaid collection was deleted. Okay. Unpaid collection was deleted. Collection was deleted. Collection. So we are the best at removing collections. 1 month in the process here. Check out this. 26 items deleted in the first month, 90-point increase. Okay, you see inquiries deleted. Look how quick we got the inquiries deleted. We didn't use goodwill letters. We didn't use pay for deletion. None of those tactics work. If you get lucky, they might work, but we don't run our business on luck. They all suck. So you can just see all of these accounts. LaRonda. These are imports of the credit reports. These are real reports, guys. 5 items deleted. Okay. So clients are getting results here. Awesome, awesome results. The strategies we use at Pinnacle are unlike any other strategy that you will find in any other credit repair company. Credit repair customers call me. Lots of people call me because other companies have failed. We are in business because it's our job to do what others cannot do. 30 days late was removed. We remove late payments. We do them quick. We dispute positive accounts and remove the negative remarks off of those accounts. Let's go back. We're in business to basically be better than other credit repair companies. And now, last but not least, look at Kelly. Boom, 144 negative items deleted, 28, 32, 32 report, 32 points increased. Look at all the negative items we removed, okay? This is just a quick video to show you what we did. Now, you might say, oh, this could be Photoshopped. It's not Photoshopped. I can get all of these clients on a video with me, on a phone call, and I'm going to do that in my next video. I don't believe in fake people. I don't believe in fake results. I do not tolerate that. I'm trying to be 100% transparent with you to show you guys that Community Bank was deleted. Freedom Plus was deleted. M&T Bank was deleted. Andrews Federal Credit Union deleted. Okay? So we have all of these accounts. All of these awesome accounts. Department of Education student loan was deleted. Okay? So look at all of these accounts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the reports. I'm going to try to get these clients on a video so we could just illustrate and show you the real deal. We're not making any of this up. There's no reason to lie. I've heard other people say they make up stories and do Photoshop. Wow, that's crazy. We don't do that here. Sorry. These are all real results, real customers. I have lawyers that hire me personally to fix their credit too as well. And stay tuned for my next video. But just take a look at all of these accounts that were removed. Okay? Too many to count. It's real. All right? If I say it's real, it's real. We're not lying to any of you. There's account numbers here. We can verify all of this. I can get you the report numbers of the befores and afters. We can literally log in. I can show you. I'll do a video where I log in her identity IQ or my score IQ, and I could show you guys the before and after reports, okay? So anyway, that's it. Look at all these items deleted. And if you want to hire the best credit repair company, give us a call, 858-252-6053. Visit our website, pinnaclecreditrepair.com.